Title: Tiny Hearts of Love. In a cozy house on a quiet street lived two little sisters named Azal, who was 2 years old, and Haaniyah, who was 3. Their bond was as strong as the morning sun and as gentle as a soft breeze. Azal adored her big sister Haaniyah. Every morning, she would toddle into Haaniyah's room, her eyes lighting up as she saw Haaniyah's smiling face. Haaniyah would greet her with a warm hug, whispering sweet words that made Azal's heart sing. One day, Haaniyah noticed Azal's favorite teddy bear was missing. She searched high and low until she found it tucked away in a corner. With a loving smile, Haaniyah placed the teddy bear in Azal's arms, making her sister's face light up like a star in the night sky. As the day unfolded, Azal imitated everything Haaniyah did. When Haaniyah drew colorful pictures, Azal scribbled alongside her. When Haaniyah ate, Azal also took spoon and copy her way. Haaniyah would cheer and applaud, making Azal feel like the most special little girl in the world. At mealtimes, Haaniyah would help Azal eat, patiently guiding the spoon to her mouth. They'd share giggles over spilled cereal and secret smiles across the table. Haaniyah's tender care made every meal an adventure filled with love. The love between these sisters shone brightest during playtime. Haaniyah would build towering block castles, and Azal would knock them down with peals of laughter. Haaniyah's joy was in Azal's happiness, and Azal's delight was in making Haaniyah proud. As they grew, their bond deepened. Haaniyah started preschool, and Azal eagerly waited for her to return every afternoon. Haaniyah, in turn, would share stories of her day, describing the colorful characters she met and the exciting things she learned. Their affectionate relationship was a source of joy for their parents, too. The sisters' laughter echoed through the house, their care for each other warming every corner. Through highs and lows, they were each other's pillars of support, never letting go of the precious bond they shared. And so, the story of Azal and Haaniyah unfolded, two tiny hearts intertwined with love, care, and affection. Their journey was a testament to the beauty of sibling connections, a reminder that the purest form of happiness lies in loving and being loved in return.